Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to transfer money online using XE. So it's one of the easiest ways to send funds internationally. And in this video, we're going to break it down step by step. So first, you're going to have to log into your XE account on their website or even from their mobile app. So if you don't have an account yet, you can also sign up. It's completely free and only takes a few minutes. So once you're logged in, simply head over to the send money section. So this is where you will then be able to set up your transfer. So you need to enter the recipient's full name, their bank details, and the currency you're sending. So XE supports tons of currencies, so you can usually send money almost anywhere in the world. So next, you're then going to have to input the amount of money you want to send. Then XE will then show you the exchange rate and any fees before you confirm, so you know exactly what the recipient will receive. And just remember guys, XE updates rates frequently, so it's really worth checking if the rate changes slightly to get the best value. And after you reviewed everything, you can then hit confirm. So depending on your security settings, XE might also ask you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. This keeps your transfer secure. So keep in mind as well, transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the currency and the destination. You can also track your transfer in your XE account, so you know exactly when it lands. So if you're sending money regularly, you can also save recipient details in your account, which makes future transactions way faster and hassle-free. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.